When you change a new phone, saving and transferring WhatsApp data from your old phone to the new one seems crucial. TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer can help you solve the problem easily and efficiently. TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer supports transferring WhatsApp and WhatsApp business data between iOS devices, and supports backing up, restoring and exporting WhatsApp and WhatsApp business data. TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer easily transfers WhatsApp data between iOS devices with just a few clicks. It allows users to transfer any desired file data, including messages, photos, videos, contact, audio, files, stickers, links, and others. And backup WhatsApp business data from your iOS device to computer without Google Drive. If you have previous backup files on your computer, TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer will be the best option for users to restore WhatsApp backups to their iOS devices. TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer also allows users to export backup files to Windows or Mac computers. Now, follow our step-by-step instructions to transfer your WhatsApp data. Open TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer and select a social app. Connect to iOS devices. Trust this computer and unlock your device. Unlock your device to continue. Turn off Find My to continue. WhatsApp data transfer succeed. TunesKit WhatsApp Transfer is the smartest choice for a seamless transition when you switch phones.